Today, we're going to Phi Phi Islands. Wait, was it Phi Phi or was it Phi Phi?
Phi Phi.
I've been saying Phi Phi, but I think that's wrong.
Phi Phi Island. Phi Phi. Ask him what his biggest regret is.
Phi Phi.
Phi Phi.
Phi Phi Island.
Okay, thank you. It actually might be called Phi Phi.
I'm gonna Google it just in case.
Phi Phi Islands.
Oh, I wish I never did that. Do I trust the humans or the AI? Humans or the AI? Today, we're going to Phi Phi Islands, a tropical paradise off the coast of Krabi, Thailand. We of course booked our hotel right on the beach, which we found out turned into a massive party every single night. There are beach games, fire shows, more fire, even more fire. It's actually kind of a fire hazard how much they love fire here. The craziest thing has to be the reggae boxing bar, where tourists casually volunteered to fight other tourists in exchange for free drinks. To sum up our first 3 days, we got tattoos, Mario lost his phone, bought another phone, then the guy who stole his phone brought it back with a fish as an apology. Yeah, we decided to move away from the madness and up into the hills with the mosquitoes.
Where are we? This one?
If you didn't watch last week's video, I got into a bike accident, fractured my finger, and I'm not allowed to swim. If you stick around today, Mario breaks his leg, and if you subscribe, you'll see a lot more injuries.
And that's why we have a first aid kit.
Anyways, after the tour guy finished his brack, we booked an island tour that we almost missed.
It's 6:20. We woke up like 15 minutes ago. We're supposed to be there at 6:15. We made it.
They kept our slippers for the entire tour. We're barefoot for the rest of the video.
This kind of hurts.
Years ago, all the boats gonna stop a bay here, and all the people gonna jump to the water, is swimming here with the wave this way, and climbing up with hand, leg to the top and walk down.
Climb up here.
It's fun but dangerous.
Look at all these fish. I got myself lost. Bro, that's crazy. I got like this close to 3 sharks. I was the first one to see that all the way down there. We have about a 45-minute boat ride to Bamboo Island, and we're gonna stay there for about 2 hours. This is so beautiful. It is very beautiful. Time to go on a little adventure. Technically, we're not supposed to be flying a drone here, but a tour guide told us to just go to the end of the island and hide, launch it so nobody sees it, and we'll be good.
Might be a bad location. Great success.
How's the swim? New place. West Virginia.
It's time to go back.
Yeah, I just lost my hat.
$15,000 for vaccine, 9,000 baht for vaccine. Bad guys, ready? Over here. Oh my. Hey, my friend. The boat waiting you now.
They're talking about me. I just love watching people get abused by monkeys. that's it. We're done. We arrived on the islands one piece, and then we both left broken.
Saved the woman from getting
kill the
attacked
monkey.
by this monkey. Right. He grabbed the monkey and pulled it off of her. And in
Hero
the
here.
meantime, he got thrown over a cliff.
I just like stepped on it wrong when I was falling.